This, Evie, is the most amazing train I've ever seen in my life. And you get to see this at such a young age. Look at that train go. Look, there's two of them. Oh, 3 trains all in one shot. This train is going through a cave. See the train going in the cave? And here comes another train. And here's the train coming out of the cave. That is a really neat train. And look, there's another big cave. Look at that. And it just keeps going and going. And there's a big town over here. And see the big town? And there's a carousel in the town. There goes the speedy train. Wow, this is a really neat train. Look, here comes another train through a tunnel. Chugga, chugga, choo choo. And look, there's a cow train that says chugga, chugga, moo moo. There it goes. Say bye, train. Bye bye. Go in the little tunnel. There's another one coming out of the tunnel. And another one coming down here. So many trains. And there's a bridge. See the bridge on the train? And look at this part of the train set. Oh wow, this train is coming through this little town. And that's the end of the train. But I also want to show you this really big Christmas tree. Look how big that Christmas tree is. It's so big. I love you.